Bowling Green Bobcat hockey came back to life 3 years ago. Well, this year might be the year they return to BG hockey in spirit. Off to a strong start, 7-2 overall, wins over the weekend against Avon and Walsh, a Frozen Four team from last season. They played reigning state champ St. Francis tight 3-2 in the opener. 9 seniors already just 1 win shy of their win total together in 2019 and 2020.
We weren't able to field a team 3-4 years ago due to numbers, and that's when myself, Jamie Ruffner came in and started to really build a culture back to what it used to be, and that was our goal. We're back at a place where we feel is Bobcat hockey worthy.
To bring back and really build it back over the last 3 years, it's been amazing. So BG hockey historically has a tradition of just really working hard, grinding, get loose pucks, and get greasy goals. And if we want to make a run like we have a really good chance to do this year, that's what we got to do. We just got to bring back BG hockey.